Molly Mae Hague has given fans a look inside £3.5 million mansion and has revealed her plans to transform the guest bedroom into her wardrobe. It comes after the Love Island star, 22, shared the exciting news that she had finally found her dream home. 7. Molly Mae Hague has given fans a sneak peek inside her guest bedroom, but it won't look like that for long. Credit, Instagram. 7. The reality star will have her very own walk-in wardrobe. Credit, Instagram. Since then, Molly has set up a home Instagram account to keep her followers up to date with the interior designs and renovations. Last night, the reality favorite gave a sneak peek inside her guest bedroom. The space boasts khaki-colored walls, a matching headboard for the huge double bed, and white sheets. It also features cream carpets and black shutter blinds. However, it won't look like this for long. Molly told fans, "Zen, I can't explain how calm this guest bedroom makes me feel. I'm really going to miss it as it's being turned into my dressing room very soon." The transformation is going to be huge. I'm so excited. I'm 100% going to replicate this color paint and the light fixtures in another bedroom, as this room just has the most relaxed feel to it. Cloud. Peace. Thank you so much for 800k. My mind is absolutely blown. Crying face. Earlier this week, the PLT creative director revealed the exciting new plans for her stunning 6-bedroom mansion and the tweaks she wants to make it perfect. She explained in her latest YouTube video that the new property was not a renovation job, but insisted, "I want to do a few things to make it perfect for us, the interior. I can't wait to show you guys." "We are not going to be ripping up the house and redoing it, but we are going to make quite a few tweaks. We are building a brand new gym into the house. We are knocking through bathrooms to create huge en suites and stuff." The Filter Tan brand founder has already started collaborating with designers to make it perfect, and explained that several bedrooms in the house are going to be converted. It has taken Molly and boxer boyfriend Tommy Fury, 22, 3 years to find their dream home. Sharing the news on Instagram with a picture of her standing at the top of her new staircase, Molly said, "So, hey guys, I can't believe we've actually gotten to this point. A 3-year search for our first home, which some of you will have followed, has finally come to an end. I know a lot of you won't have been expecting me to do a private home account, as I have become a lot more private about what I post of our home life." She added, "However, having a home account is something that I've always dreamed of doing. I've decided that I don't want the past to control my future, the way I live my life and what I share with you guys. This account will show snippets of our home, this crazy new journey we are embarking on, a day-to-day life within our house." She added, "And maybe appearances from 2 fluffy cats as well. I hope you all enjoy." Despite the exciting news, fans fear that the address of her new home could get leaked online, just months after thieves swiped £800,000 worth of designer gear from their former home last year. Molly and Tommy's £1.3 million apartment was targeted after burglars studied a string of videos that the star posted on social media. The loved-up couple placed second on the 5th series of Love Island in 2019. 7. The star will transform the guest bedroom into a wardrobe. Credit, Instagram. 7. Molly shared the exciting news earlier this week. Credit, Instagram. 7. Molly has given a glimpse inside her home on her YouTube channel. Credit, YouTube, Molly Mae Hague. 7. The star is over the moon with her new property. Credit, Instagram. 7. Molly and Tommy met on Love Island back in 2019. Credit, Instagram. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.